How to insert hyperlinks in MS Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. And if you are looking for a way to make your document more interactive by adding clickable links, then inserting hyperlinks in Microsoft Word is quick and useful. First of all, open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device and log in. From the home page, open up one of your documents you want to edit, and then from the document, go to the top right corner and tap the pencil button. You'll be able to see several different tools from the bottom. Go and tap on the plus icon. Now click the link button from the menu and then insert your hyperlink or your link. Type in or paste the URL in the address box and finally click on the tick mark at the top right. So that way you will be able to add a hyperlink on Microsoft Word. Your selected text will now appear as a clickable hyperlink. Tap the linked text. If you want to edit or remove a link later, choose whether you'd like to open, copy, edit the link from the menu, and you'll be able to edit or remove a link later. So that way you will be able to add or remove a hyperlink on MS Word. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.